Welcome back, everybody. So I bought an inflatable on Facebook Marketplace the other day. I saw an ad for it as I was browsing the Halloween section, and I fell in love with it. I thought it was ugly wonderful, and I put it in my cart right away, bought it, and it came in, and it's great. I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to share it with you a little bit later. But as I was browsing Amazon subsequently, I found the exact same inflatable at a much lower price. And I guess that's what I get. So my loss is going to be your gain this month because I'm going to be giving away this inflatable that I bought. But before we get to that, I first want to send a special thank you, as I do every month, to my patrons. And I did actually get 2 new patrons in June. So our new patrons include Backbeat Janette and Halloween Heathen. So thank you very much, Backbeat Janette and Halloween Heathen, for joining my Fright Club. If anyone else out there is interested in becoming a Patreon, you can check it out in the link in the description of this video. There are a few wonderful benefits, some of which include extra entries into our monthly giveaways, which we'll get to in just a moment after I thank the rest of my wonderful patrons that include Acorn and Oak, Allison Waldron, B. Hugh, Carla Perea, Cathy Lacy, Craig Thomas, Eerie Eric, Frady Zone, Halloween Inflatable Geek, Heather St. John, Indiana Jones, Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy, Kip and Jace, Lauren McLean, Patchouli Julie, Paula Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Shanelle Cree, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Southern Screams, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, Stephen Miles, and Teara. Thank you all for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. Your support goes a long way into helping me provide these videos and these giveaways. One thing we like to do on the channel is showcase the channels, the YouTube channels for those patrons that have YouTube channels. So let's go ahead, log in, and see what they are up to. So first up here we have Halloween Heathen, and Halloween Heathen does all things Halloween: reviews, hauls, DIYs, stories, and more. So let's go ahead and check out his videos, and it looks like he's got, let's see, 3, 5, about 10 videos, most of which were last year, a couple years ago maybe, but he's got a new one out just a couple of weeks ago, Rising Swamp Hag Halloween Animatronic. All right, that actually looks pretty awesome, but I'm going to stop playing that so that you can check it out on his channel if you're interested. But it looks like he's got other videos, including, Spirit Halloween Trick or Treat Haul. We love our haul videos, some more product reviews, and let's see, Billy Butcherson's Groundbreaker Hocus Pocus. Obviously, I watched that maybe a year ago. Not sure what it's about, but check it out on his channel. Looks like he's got a lot of fun stuff. All right, next up we have Indiana Jones, longtime supporter of the channel. And since our last check-in, Indiana Jones has done, of course, quite a few things. I'm not exactly sure where we left off, but this one looks amazing. Dark Academia, Cottage Core Vintage, ... Whoops. What is it? Shabby Chic Collaboration. All right, I'm just going to skim her video because I didn't get a chance to watch it yet. Let's see what we end up with. All right, here's Indiana Jones in her beautiful costumeness with her crafty things. That is what her channel is all about: fun crafting and fun costumes with other fun people. So check out Indiana Jones. We also have Southern Screams, nothing new since our last check-in, but Southern Screams has a wonderful haunt that he puts on every year. Every year is different. All right, Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy. We've got some inflatables. Again, a lot since our last check-in. It's been to the at-home store, as have I, so check out our videos because they've got fun Halloween merchandise coming out. All right, but other inflatables we could look at. This dragon looks kind of interesting, but this giant spider is one of those things at the at-home store. And of course, some more inflatables. So if you're into inflatables, Josh is your guy. TCAT Makes, nothing new. But hopefully we'll see something one of these days. Halloween Inflatable Geek. I'm pretty sure we saw this one in our last check-in as well. He's putting an engine into his Mustang, but He has lots of Halloween videos as well, of course focusing on the inflatables, as you might guess from his title. Spooky Bev, nothing new since our last check-in either, but she does lots of spooky vlogs and videos. Maybe we'll see something coming up. Spooky Spectacle, again, nothing new. Haven't heard, I think in our last video too, we were asking what was going on with her since we haven't seen anything for a few months. So hopefully you're okay, Spooky Spectacle. Give us a shout out, let us know. All right, Frady Zone. Frady Zone's got a new video out. My Day as a Witch just got even better. Frady does amazing videos as well. What does it say? There's a change in the air. And there we go. It's that Frady Zone. And she's doing something witchy. So I'm not going to go through the whole video. Obviously, we're going to need to check out her channel to see what it's all about. I can't wait to do that because her videos are amazing. Skull Crane Entertainment has an animatronic store. So he has featured a giveaway in his last video that we checked in on. So since then, he's got a Werewolf Legend by Distortions Unlimited. I think I saw a Facebook post on that. It looks pretty cool. You're going to want to check it out. And let's see, Acorn and Oak also does crafting videos. Nothing new since our last check-in, but he does all sorts of holidays and decorating and card making and crafting. Lots of stuff going on his channel. All right, thank you one last time to our patrons, but now it is time for the giveaway. So this is it. Check this out. It is a hideous looking sort of zombie baby. And let's see. This is the first time, actually, I haven't really looked at the box. I just took it out of the bag earlier today. So it doesn't really call itself anything. It just says it's a Halloween inflatable. And it's just an ugly baby. It's made by Goosh, I guess. It says, "Boo, this adorable inflatable will greet all your Halloween guests and delight your neighborhood's trick-or-treaters with featuring bright LED lights and vibrant colors. They're sure to bring a smile to everyone's face. Just follow the easy step-by-step instructions below to get started. Zip up, plug in, inflate, add some stakes." Dear customer, thank you for purchasing Goosh brand products. We will serve you as always. If you have any suggestions for the design or use of our products, please email us and so forth. Happy Halloween. Enjoy your decorations. So I am going to review this product. So again, I'm giving this away. I'm actually going to be giving this one away, but we're going to open it up and test it first. So if you're not interested in a just gently, slightly used Halloween inflatable, maybe this giveaway is not for you, but it's who wouldn't want this? It's amazing. So it's so ugly fun. I love it. So anyway, to enter this contest, well, we're not going to do a live giveaway. We didn't do one last month. That seemed to work pretty well. I'm going to get back to my live video giveaways eventually. It's just a very hectic time for me. I'm going out of town now for the rest of the week. So I'm going to be back on the weekend, and we will do hopefully a review of this product on the weekend, and I'll get that out. So you have until I get this video out to enter. And to enter, you need to leave me a comment below and let me know what you would name this hideous baby. And that'll get you entered. And in order to find out if you won, you'll have to watch that product review video, and I will give it a name in the video. And if it was yours, congratulations, you won. So that's how we're going to structure the giveaway this month. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below, but it's pretty standard, and we've done it so many months before. So make sure you're subscribed, and you'll always get those notifications if you hit that bell icon, and never miss one of these fun giveaways either. So that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Stay safe. Happy haunting.